again. Come to give you more again, yeah.
So people, in this video, we are going to talk about why I am not surprised that Jacure find himself back at prison. Oh, and if you never know, Jacure get 6 years for manslaughter. We are going to talk about all of that in this video.
You never find no one in this lifetime to love you like I do.
Yeah, Chaddy Marie, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes! Chaddy Murray TV.
For all the vlogs and recent update, mailing Chaddy Murray. Bototom, Bush, Yaxter said that.
You know, it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. If for the first time you are check out the Chaddy Murray TV, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notification. So anytime me upload videos like these, you definitely are gonna be the first to know. Now, my mother always tell me say, don't have your right in your hand and give it away. And that's exactly what happened to Jacure. Now, I'm not here to talk about Jacure's previous conviction. But what I'm here to talk about is leading up to this conviction in behavior and all of them things there. So it's alleged that Jacure go Netherlands. And while in Netherlands, Zane, Jacure and a promoter in a some altercation. Now, technically, Jacure no wrong for in an altercation with the promoter because Jacure forget some money overseas and like the promoter say, yo, him not have no money and him not have this and him not have that and him not have that. And remember, you know, people, when you go to JPS, when you go to the bank for your mortgage and all of them things there, you can't go to them and tell them, say, you know, say the promoter never pay me. No. So anybody would have been upset. How Jacure go about it? No, wrong. Jacure allegedly stabbed this brother. Now, according to Jacure defense, is self-defense. But the court not really see it like that. So the court charged him for 6 years manslaughter. Now, this is the point in the review why me I go explain say this not surprising to me. It's like nothing new to me. Because Jacure always find himself in a them position. Yeah. Remember, say Jacure the guy one place, he may not get thumped down. Somewhere in the Caribbean, if it's not Bahamas, it's Barbados, somewhere there. So when them claim say yo, woman, man thump him down and stuff like that. We not have to go into that. Remember, a couple weeks, or I should say a couple months before this, we did hear about Jacure and some females, and then we hear about Jacure and producers, and then we hear about Jacure and everybody. Like Jacure and everybody in a problem. You see me? One at a time, allegedly, Jacure and even popcorn, and it's over, girl. So clearly, Jacure have a temper problem, where management should have make sure have that problem under control. Me I tell you, me can't work with an artist where him have a temper problem. Cause that means me now I can't tell him nothing all on the right thing. You see me? And see where Jacure end up now. 6 years. So me have to ask Jacure, what's up? Oh, prison bro G. The only person me still love prison, so you know, as somebody where stay that way there, which me not gonna say Jacure, you know, stay that way there. And I'm matter of fact I be a bad man there prison. So we now got to say that about Jacure. But the next option, I must work him right there. So me no say him is an artist because him not right there. I mean I swear for him, but me not think him stay that way there. So why you love prison some IG? Why you just can't calm down yourself? Why you never get the necessary mental health where you need? Me not say I'm a madman, you know. But me just I say him need to control him emotions and know the right way from the wrong way. You can't they are an overseas country and you have to stab up promoter because you don't get paid. They are an overseas country and things now work the way how you wanted it to work. It now go according to plan. You can always find your attorney. You can always go link the police them over there. Worse than like Jamaica because you're supposed to have a contract. So deal with it proper. Don't go stab the brother and then you are going to get 6 years now, brother. You are going to spend 6 years at jail. When you forward back at prison, sorry. When you forward back, you have to go work on the career, they back forget it where it was. Remember saying, you know, You're a real singer in my G. We not expect them things from you, supposedly. But me, they don't expect it, because I'm looking at the future. But I kind of see the part where I go down, and it was a part of destruction. Jaja. Anyway, still, that are my couple cents on it. Tell me in the comment section if a foolish me attack. Tell me in the comment section if you are surprised that Jack your jail. Let me know in the comment section. Keep on as a jail when a prison. Jaja. And know when Jack your forward back. Know him really have a record. People now go on, like embassies now go to want give him a visa. And the type of music where Jack your need for your tour. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about this topic we discussed today. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and guess what? A one way, any other way, a wrong way. We're gone. Secure again. Come forgive you more again, yeah. Anyway, people, let me know in the comment section what you think about this review.